a severe thunderstorm warning for Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, Raven County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Macon County in western North Carolina, northwestern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northwest of Clayton to 9 miles southeast of Cleveland, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toccoa, Clayton, Clarksville, Cornelia, Baldwin, Demarest, Mount Airy, Alto, Mountain City, and Tiger. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Georgia: Habersham, Raven and Stevens, and Macon, North Carolina, and Oconee, South Carolina. The National Weather